Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Ella. So today I'm going to unbox and review about this product. Last week, Madam Glam reached out to me and they sent this to me for free. So this is a collaboration video with them. Look at this. I like this one. You are on board for amazing VIP manicures. So it's very good. So their product is vegan, cruelty-free, and HEMA-free. There are 9 free formula. So handle with care. So this is their website and socials: www.madamglam.com. So you can find them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So let's begin unboxing. Alright, let's begin unboxing. Alright. Wow. Wow, beautiful. So this is, I have 3 colors. Yeah. And this one. Perfect pink. Okay, and this is the base coat. Top coat. And so this is what I got from them. 3 colors and 1 base coat and top coat. And there is also, what's this? Wow. This is the mini UV LED lamp to dry quickly your set aside. Yes, to dry quickly your manicure. Wow. So this is the manual. Oh. Cable charger cable, cable charging. And this is the, wow, very cute. Wow, Madam Glam, New York. Very cute. So this is what it looks like, that. Wow, beautiful. I like it, and I like the color too. To tell you honestly, I never did a manicure or putting colors on my fingernails. I did pedicure, on my feet, but never on my fingernails. So when Madam Glam reached out to me last week, I never hesitate to accept the proposal because hey, this is Madam Glam. So this is a good opportunity to me, and I want to experience also, you know, doing this. So thank you, Madam Glam. Thank you for sending this to me. You are so kind. Thank you. So this is the final result. So for the first timer like me, it's not bad at all. It's not perfect, but it takes time, you know, to practice. Like it though. Thank you, Madam Glam. Thank you. So I like their gel because it's not too what's this, thick, you know. It's not too thick. It's easy to apply, you know, for a first timer like me. And I may try their other colors. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Please subscribe also and give a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.